All right, we got our bed frame. This is a twin size, and this is pretty much how it comes in pack. You're gonna need scissors to cut down the zip ties. It's a little heavy. It's about 30 to 20 pounds, somewhere on there. It's not that bad. One person can carry it, but you know, it's recommended two. All right, putting it together. We're gonna follow the instructions. All right, they do give you tools are included, which is the Allen wrench. All right, including instructions, and everything's well labeled. All right, so here are the bed frames that we did. That this is the headrest and the bottom. We done this separately. I'm going to show you the other parts that we also did separately. This is the other one, the main frame. We did connect it already to make it easier to take over there. We're going to put it in last place of resting. We have all the rest of the which is these are the actual ribs for the actual bed. That's going to retain the actual bed. All right, so I put the screw in here. We have it lined up. All the extra areas here are for the actual ribs of the bed. So make sure that they're facing in on both ways, all right? And just make sure you follow the instructions. And here we have the structure set up first. We're gonna complete in a bit, but I just wanna show you this part, how it looks. All right, we got the bed frame set up already. We haven't set up the tops yet, all right? But we're going to start with the actual ribs of the actual bed. But very sturdy. This part right here, you have to screw it in, all right? Make sure that you do that. So I showed you guys that I did it prior to setting up. So I'm going to put one of the ribs to see how it looks. All right, just finished the actual product of the bed, if you guys can see it. But so I'm gonna show you the frame. All right, this is the ribs that we have in here. They're all set up. They have center pieces here. You guys can see these stabilize the whole thing. We just put a new cushion. It's gonna take a couple minutes to rise, but it's looking very well. We'll show you the final results. Here's the final result, guys. Look how beautiful it looks. Very sturdy frame. Of course we covered it up, but you can see the back, and this is pretty much a kid's bed. It's a twin size, but you could get it different sizes. Of course, very simple to put together. I showed you a couple steps. Once you get your own cushion, look at this, plenty of space here to put anything in there. And of course it has a stable bar in the middle, so we're good. Carries a lot of weight too. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.